Dogecoin. Dogecoin to $100? Wowzers. Crash bang wallop. I'm back. Crashing back down to Earth after hitting an asteroid in space. Landing back in the atmosphere with nowhere to go. Stuck in the haze of the clouds, looking for a way out. Now that's how the Dogecoin millionaire feels right now. Let's get to it. Welcome back to Financial Guru, and today we are here to talk about the Doge. Oh, isn't that a beautiful dog? The cryptocurrency coin that started as a joke that took over the world. If you are new to Dogecoin or got some experience, you will learn today the history of Dogecoin. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. Which one is better? How some companies feel about the Doge. How do you buy Dogecoin? And is Dogecoin a good investment? And will it fly to the $100? There is a lot to take in, so let's rocket out of here and catch the Dogecoin millionaire on the way to the moon. First, before I get started on Dogecoin, some of you would have heard of the Dogecoin millionaire. In February 2021, Glober Contesato decides to invest his life savings into Dogecoin. His friends had concerns. They were all like, "You're crazy. It's a joke coin. It's a meme. It's going to crash." Their skepticism was warranted. After all, Dogecoin was created as a joke. A digital currency started in 2013 by a pair of programmers who decided to spoof the cryptocurrency craze by creating their own virtual money based on the meme about Doge, a talking Shiba Inu puppy, and invest money into cryptocurrencies. Has historically been like tossing money into a bonfire. No! But Mr. Contesato, age 33, who worked at a Los Angeles hip-hop media company, is no ordinary buy and hold investor. He is amongst the many thrill-seeking amateurs and professionals who have leapt headfirst into the market in recent months using stock trading apps like Robinhood, chase outsized gains on risky speculative bets. In February, after reading a Reddit thread about Dogecoin potential, Mr. Contesato decided to go all in. He maxed out all his credit cards, borrowed money using Robinhood margin, trading features, and spent everything he had on the digital currency, investing over $200,000 in all. Then he watched his phone obsessively as Dogecoin became an internet phenomenon whose value eclipsed that of the blue chip companies like Twitter and General Motors. You can see him on YouTube sites like Graham, Stephan and Andre Jick. What is the value of Dogecoin millionaire today? At one point he was at roughly $3 million. Woo! Now it has crashed to under $1 million. So was it just pure luck? Or was he a magician like Andre Jick? I think he was both, but the fact is he didn't sell some of his position is absurd to me. He could have had a nice house and rental property by now and still be left with $250k in Dogecoin left over. Anyway, he could be a genius, only time will tell. How was Dogecoin created? Software engineer Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer created Dogecoin in the late 2013. Palmer branded the cryptocurrency logo using a meme popular at the time that featured the deliberately misspelled word Doge to describe a Shiba Inu dog. Doge really started to poke fun at Bitcoin in the early days. A community of enthusiasts arranged publicity stunts to raise Dogecoin's profile, gathering funds to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the 2014 Olympics, for instance, or sponsors a NASCAR driver. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that runs on a blockchain technology similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Blockchain is a distributed, secure digital ledger that stores all transactions made using a decentralized digital currency. All holders carry an identical copy of the Dogecoin blockchain ledger, which is frequently updated with all new transactions in the cryptocurrency. Like other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin's blockchain network uses cryptography to keep all transactions secure. People called miners use computers to solve complex mathematical equations in order to process transactions and record them on the Dogecoin blockchain. In exchange for processing transactions and supporting the blockchain ledger, miners earn additional Dogecoin, which they can then hold or sell on the open market. Dogecoin may be used for payments and purchases, but is not a very effective store of value as of yet. This is chiefly because there is no lifetime cap on the number of Dogecoins that may be created, meaning that the cryptocurrency is highly inflationary by design. The blockchain rewards miners for their work by creating millions of new Dogecoin every day, which makes it very challenging for speculative price gains in Dogecoin to hold up over time. This is one thing about Dogecoin I don't like, and maybe the solution is it becomes a proper currency to buy and sell goods for cash. Now it's time to compare Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. Dogecoin has a few significant differences compared to Bitcoin. Firstly, it's quicker and easier for miners to complete the mathematical equation through Dogecoin that is completed and recorded, which makes Dogecoin somewhat more efficient for processing payment, where it takes 10 minutes for the processor to ratify new blocks on the Bitcoin blockchain. It takes only 1 minute on the Dogecoin blockchain. Another significant difference is the absence of any lifetime cap on the number of Dogecoins that are created. There's a lifetime cap of 21 million in Bitcoin that limits the maximum possible numbers of coins that can be created. This means that miners are forced to work harder and longer over time to earn new Bitcoin, and to a degree it helps guarantee Bitcoin's ability to hold and grow its value over time. Bitcoin is more established and well-known, but both seem to be affected by Elon Musk's tweet. Bitcoin is a store of value like gold, where Doge is clearly a currency. In early 2021, Dogecoin gained cult status on Reddit's Wall Street Bets message board, the prime instigator behind the GameStop affair in January, where enthusiasts had promised to propel its value to the moon. That was before all discussions of crypto was banned on Reddit. Also, on TikTok and various other social media sites, they started posting videos and messages saying Doge is going to $1. Doge to the moon. The aim was, if everyone invested a certain amount of money, we can all be rich. Building momentum from all these tweets, the price hiked from 6 cents shooting up to 40 cents in no time. Today, Dogecoin is no joke, having exploded in value and gained more than 5,000% in 2021 before plummeting down to between 16 and 26 cent range. Amongst its boosters is Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who called Dogecoin his favourite cryptocurrency. Musk also named Dogecoin the people's crypto and promised to plant a physical Dogecoin token on the moon. Elon Musk also said, "How much is that Dogecoin in the window? Woof woof," and recently released the Doge and Baby Doge tweet, but they failed to keep Doge popularity up for long. Dogecoin reached a peak in early May of about 73 cents per coin, as it was cheered on by notable supporters, including Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg, Gene Simmons. Saturday Night Skit in America with Elon Musk was one of the drivers of the cryptocurrency, but sadly for investors, since that hype has fallen from the moon and back to the clouds, waiting to rise again. Now let's look into a company that's about to go onto the public exchange. A commission-free trading app, Robinhood, warned investors on Thursday that its fortunes may be tied into a cryptocurrency that got started as a joke. Revealing in its financials for the first time while filing to go public, Robinhood said Dogecoin accounted 34% of its cryptocurrency transaction-based revenue in the first quarter, up from 4% in the prior quarter. Any slowdown in demand, Robinhood said, could adversely affect its financial results. A substantial portion of the recent growth in their net revenue earned from cryptocurrency transactions is attributed to the transactions in Dogecoin. If the demand for the transactions in Dogecoin declines and is not replaced by new demand for other cryptocurrencies available for trading on our platform, our business, financial conditions and results of operations could be adversely affected. Now, other companies like BlockFi, Coinbase, Binance all sell crypto. So let's now look into how to buy Dogecoin. You can buy Dogecoin on cryptocurrency exchanges as previously mentioned, and many more. The exchanges are required you to set up an account and fund it with generally US dollars or different cryptocurrencies if you already have. You then are able to buy and exchange cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin. Some online brokers, including Robinhood and TradeStation, also allow you to buy Dogecoin. In addition to conventional assets like stocks, mutual funds and bonds, they don't offer as many of the cryptocurrencies as exchanges, but Dogecoin is generally available. As with other cryptocurrencies, once you've purchased Dogecoin, it's best to move your coins to a crypto wallet. Wallets take many forms, from online services offered by exchanges like Coinbase to apps on your mobile device or even a physical hard drive. You secure the wallet with a private password. Since your coins are held outside of an exchange, there are extra layers of protection against hackers. Before Dogecoin broke out into the mainstream and rocketed high in price, you used to be able to earn free coins for doing basic tasks. Online, for many years you could perform tasks at Dogecoin's faucets to earn Dogecoin instead of buying it. The task included things like watching an advertising or taking in a survey. More recently, it's become more difficult to find any that work. Is Dogecoin a good investment? Since there's no lifetime limit on the numbers of Dogecoin that can exist, and millions of new Dogecoin are released onto the market every single day, there is very little incentive to hold the cryptocurrency for the long term. Bitcoin continues to rise in value because of the system lifetime cap of 21 million Bitcoin. Dogecoin really is less like Bitcoin and more like Dash or Bitcoin Cash, where the express goal is spending a currency. The per coin value of Dogecoin has been very low, around 0.003 cents per coin for most of 2020. So people were more likely to give them away. Users on platforms like Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, and others can use Dogecoin to reward or tip each other for posting content. The gains in Dogecoin that have been seen in 2021 may not be sustainable over the long term. Whether crypto tipping and donating culture will continue remains to be seen. Should you buy Dogecoin? If you bought Dogecoin to start 2021 and before, you have been well rewarded. But the constant flow of new coins into the market puts unending downward pressure on the coin's value. Additional security risk for Dogecoin. Compared to other major cryptocurrency, it just hasn't had the same security and code level scrutiny that Bitcoin or Ethereum has. Plus, there's just not a particular robust mining community around Doge, so the exposure for a mining level attack is well above that of something like Bitcoin. In saying all that, I can see Dogecoin as a currency, not a store of value. So Doge won't be rocketing to the moon like Bitcoin. But in saying that, if you buy the 20 cents range, I think you will be safe. Will it reach $1? I believe so, but would need more institutional investors like hedge funds to buy and hold Dogecoin to compete with Ethereum. You never know, but highly unlikely from what I have seen. With millions of new Dogecoin a day makes it hard to see it going to the moon. I'm sure, like a lot of people, that Dogecoin are wishing Dogecoin can hit $100. Well, if you're invested now, you would be laughing all the way to the bank as a millionaire if you can get 10,000 coins or more very shortly. For this to happen, Elon Musk would have to buy a truckload and other rich investors and not sell. But when the price goes up, there will be a lot of retail investors selling their profits, and every day the coins keep coming into the system. It makes it hard when there is no cap, but if one day they manage to put a cap on the amount of coins mined each day, then Doge could be a life change. It has already for some, but a lot of people have bought in at 50 cents plus and lost half of their earnings. Let's hope it's just a bump in the road. If it becomes a currency, hopefully it would mimic the US dollar, or the pound would be even better. Well, thank you for watching Dogecoin to 100 or to the moon, and hope you've learned all about Dogecoin and got a better understanding of how it works. This is me, Financial Guru, signing off into the galaxy, all the Dogecoins lost in space, as I head towards the moon, infinity and beyond.